Okay, try to imagine this. Your doctor simply can't get the drugs you need to stay alive. Believe it or not, that's what's happening in some cancer treatment centers as doctors deal with a chemotherapy drug shortage. ABC 15's Eric English is live in the Satellite Center. And Eric, are we seeing any shortages here in Arizona?
Well, today the country's top health officials told a congressional panel that this shortage is real across the country. Cancer and oncology centers are having a tough time getting their hands on the cancer-fighting drugs that their patients need. We called around several Valley cancer centers as well, and they say that this shortage is also real.
Give me a break for over 3 months.
James Burns spent this day at a Florida cancer center getting an infusion of fluorouracil, a chemotherapy drug used to treat colorectal cancer. He's fortunate to get the medication since the chemotherapy drug is one of many that appear on the Food and Drug Administration's drug shortage website. At other hospitals, the drug is scarce. Clarence Robust says his son's doctors are trying to save his life, but they're also seeing the effects of the shortage.
We kept waiting for it and waiting for it and waiting for it. And then finally I came to him and I asked him, I said, what's the problem? How come we don't have it? And then he told me that there was a national shortage of it.
Bleomycin, F5U, and Doxil are among a number of cancer drugs either on back order or in short supply. Doctors are being forced to continuously check patients' treatment schedules to see how much of any drug they'll need in the next month. The FDA, who works with manufacturers to address shortages, says the most common reasons for shortages are manufacturing problems and discontinuations. The most severe shortages we have seen in 2011 involve several oncology drugs and also a shortage of electrolytes. The FDA is working with multiple firms on these shortages.
Now, right now, there are very few regulations governing drug shortages, but new rules may require drug manufacturers to report some of those shortages, and it may also require the FDA to try and do something to prevent them. We're live in the Sat Center tonight. Eric English, ABC 15 News.
All right.